Namaskar. IMD welcomes you in its weekly weather discussion. Today is 6th October, and this weekly weather discussion is dedicated for last week's weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. So let us start with the salient feature of monsoon season because 30th September is the official end date of the monsoon, that is June, July, August, September. So this map is showing overall subdivision rainfall map during the period of 1st June to 30th September. So you can see that below color is showing excess rainfall where it has been occurred, and green color shows the normal rainfall, and red color showing deficient rainfall. And accordingly, this year southwest monsoon seasonal rainfall June to September for the country as a whole had been above normal, that is 105 to 110 of long period average. And as regards south monsoon rainfall, uh, homogeneous zone wise, so it is above normal over South Peninsular India by 1 to 2%, that is 122% of LPA, and over Central India it is 119, that is 119% of LPA. Normal over Northwest India, that is 101%, and below normal over East and Northeast India, that is 82%. And out of 36 divisions, where subdivisions, 12 subdivisions shown here by blue and for blue color remain this excess rainfall, that is 40% of the total area of the country, and 18 subdivisions shown here by green color remained normal rainfall, and 6 subdivisions received deficient rainfall shown here by blue color. So most of these deficient rainfall is over Indo-Gangetic plains. So this is the situation of the monsoon season rainfall. Now move to synoptic systems prevailed during last week. So summary of the synoptic systems. That is last week's cyclone circulation over West Central Bay of Bengal persisted, and during 29 September to 3rd October, and another cyclone circulation emerged over northeast and joining East Central Bay of Bengal on 2nd October. Both of these circulations merged over West Central Bay of Bengal on 3rd October, and the reason was that there was a westerly wind was in association with the median Julian oscillation NGO over South Bay of Bengal in the week during the week, and it helps in the formation of low cyclone circulation and its survival for a longer period. And under the influence of this, a low pressure area formed over West Central Bay of Bengal on 3rd and moved west northwestwards toward Andhra Pradesh coast on 3rd and 4th. And today also the remnant of this low pressure area lies as a cyclone circulation over South Andhra Pradesh coast. And during the week, two western disturbance affected western region during the week. And so this here low pressure is shown here, and this is the trough runs from cyclone circulation associated with the West Central Bay of Bengal to northwest India. So these are the summary of the this synoptic systems prevailed during the week, that is during 29 September to 5th October, and this is the summary of the cumulative rainfall during the week. So you can see that blue and dark blue color shows excess and large excess rainfall received over Odisha, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Rayalaseema, and South Central Karnataka, and also Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Otherwise, normal deficient and large deficient rainfall reported over most parts of the country. And this is the rainfall received. So you can see that light rainfall received over most parts of the country except Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and moderate to heavy rainfall received over this eastern part of the country, east coast of the country, especially Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, and southern Karnataka. So this is the overall as a whole for the country. The rainfall during the week was minus 10%. That is below the, and these are the synoptic system prevailing today. So you can see that we are having a remnant of the low pressure area as a cyclone circulation over south coastal Andhra Pradesh, and another cyclone circulation of central parts of South Bay of Bengal, and a trough runs from the cyclonic circulation over coastal Andhra Pradesh to northwest part of the Uttar Pradesh, and this is showing western disturbance roughly 64 and 24, that is 64 degree east and 24 degree north. So as regard the cyclone circulation over Andhra Pradesh, it is likely to persist during next 2 days, and thereafter it may be less marked. And as regards this trough, it is likely to persist during next 2-3 days. And this cyclone circulation over central parts of South Bay of Bengal likely to persist during next 3 days, likely to move west northwest parts to our Andhra Pradesh coast, and there is a low probability of formation of a low pressure area and WDI have already mentioned. So this is the summary of today's synoptic system prevailing over different parts of the country. And now move to the withdrawal of southwest monsoon. So the white color shows where from this monsoon has been withdrawal. So you can see that monsoon has further withdrawn from Jammu Kashmir and Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Rajasthan, and most parts it has been withdrawn from Gujarat state and Himachal Pradesh, and from some parts of western parts of Madhya Pradesh and western parts of Uttar Pradesh. So this is the situation. Accordingly, this blue color line shows the withdrawal line. This is passes through Uttarkashi, Najibabad, Agra, Gwalior, Ratlam, Bharuch, and goes to the northeast Arabian Sea. So this is the situation of withdrawal of southwest monsoon 2022. And now go to the forecast and warnings for next 5 days. So we are having four major zones of rainfall where a good amount of rainfall likely to occur during next 4 5 days. So one zone is the parts of Andaman Nicobar Islands and Northeast India. Second is the Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Third one is the Madhya Pradesh, and fourth one is the coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Rayalaseema. So this is these four zones. Accordingly, heavy rainfall is expected over today. Extremely heavy rainfall is expected over East Uttar Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall is expected over Uttarakhand, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema. On 7th, extremely heavy rainfall is expected over Uttarakhand, and very heavy rainfall over western parts of Uttar Pradesh. And on 8th, this very heavy rainfall is expected over western parts of Uttar Pradesh, and extremely heavy rainfall over Uttarakhand. On 9th as well, this activity likely to continue over western parts of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and on 10th it is likely to reduce. However, heavy rainfall is expected over these two subdivisions. So this is the summary of forecast and warnings for next 5 days. Now about the forecast for next 2 weeks. So for week one, this is a picture is showing for left hand side. A picture shows forecast rainfall, and second one is the anomaly. And so you can see that above normal rainfall is expected over, especially over these parts of northwest India and except Jammu Kashmir and central India, and normal rainfall is expected over rest part of the country, including south peninsular India, east northeast India. And a free cyclone circulation likely to develop over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea during first half of the second week. So this is the likely formation of cyclone circulation. Now move to forecast for week two. So a fresh cyclone circulation likely to develop, as already mentioned, over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea. And under the influence of this is scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with heavy falls likely over south peninsular India during most days of the week, and overall rainfall activity likely to above normal over south peninsular India, below normal over northwest, east, and northeast India, and it is likely to be below normal or to near normal over rest parts of northwest India. So this is the forecast summary for next for second week. So this is all about today's weekly weather discussion, and you can connect with us through Mosam app, Damini app, Megdut app, and our website mosam.in, and also Facebook and Twitter pages. And so this is all about today's discussion, and we will discuss again next week. Till then, you can connect with our daily weather video. Namaskar.